CT scans use X-rays to see inside of rocks. Denser minerals appear brighter, like the garnet seen in this politic schist. Garnet is an index mineral. It allows geologists to estimate the temperature and pressure conditions of metamorphism. The light gray tabular mineral forming crosses is starlite, another index mineral in politic metamorphic rocks. Each frame is a snapshot of the sample at increasing distance from the rock's surface. One use of CT data is to compare frequency, size, and shape of minerals like garnet between samples. Foliation is apparent in this sample, trending top to bottom. Garnets in this schist are elongated, indicating an increase in metamorphism. In this schist, we can see undeformed, well-developed garnets with inclusions visible as dark specks within the bright garnet. The garnets in this politic gneiss are less dense and show reaction rims, indicating metamorphic activity after the garnet is formed. This gneiss shows high metamorphic grade with well-developed foliation, trending left to right. Unlike the previous sample, the garnets here were metamorphosed during growth, shown by spiraling, bright, S-shaped inclusions.